back at it again with our dancing Danny, our dancing Daniel. He's gonna go through that door, look at that door, clapping right and making that door vanish. That's our Daniel for you. Anyway, this is part 2 again of Project B4 for Spring 2019 Character Animation at Rutgers University. Look at him go. Daniel's dancing. The crowd's dancing. They're still dancing in the background like that. Gotta admire that dedication. As a reminder, this is part 2, and so in this part you will be able to control Daniel. Not now, though, as we gotta make for the shooter to make his dramatic entrance. And there he is. And oh no, Kevin, he's dead. And now we're off to the races. So now, reminder, in this part, the objective is to collect all the scrolls and all the non-scroll objects before time runs out. And we have a time limit of 120 seconds that begins at the beginning of the scene. So it's a very time-constrained environment. However, upon picking up a scroll object, we get another 20 seconds added to our time, making that difficult task of collecting all the scrolls and non-scroll objects just a bit more manageable. And look at Danny go. He's zooming around the screen, picking up all sorts of objects, scrolls or not, like it ain't no one's business. And it ain't. And because they got their own business, and that's not this. Look at him go. Look at him go, that Danny. What a guy. Now, if you're wondering why I'm talking in such a loud and affected voice, it is because there is very loud music playing in the background right now, which you cannot hear. And the reason for that is because the stream recorder that we are using, it's a recorder that we found from some random online website through Google when we Googled capture device recorder or something like that. And anyway, in order to capture the audio that's recorded or sourced from the computer, we need to buy and no one cares about my random rant because Danny won. We got it. He collected all the objects. He collected all the scrolls. Danny wins. He's going to Disney World.